Hi, welcome to DNA News. I'm your head anchor, Eric Sturba. To start things off, let's go over to Kyle with the weather.
Hi, I'm Kyle, and I'm here on the weather for homeostasis. Homeostasis is an organism that regulates its internal environment to maintain the conditions suitable for living things, such as cells. The plasma membrane maintains homeostasis because it controls what goes in and out of the cell. It brings nutrients to the cell and doesn't bring in harmful things that may kill the cell. The outside of the plasma membrane is a phosphate group that is polar. The inside is fatty tails that are nonpolar. Channels growing inside of the cell are proteins, commonly known as membrane proteins.
Yes, some exciting news. The Cell Olympics is in town. Let's go over to Charlie.
This is Charlie, and today I have the results of the Cell Olympics. DNA has replicated. The DNA split apart so that the RNA can gain the code of protons and genetics. The mRNA then carries the codes to the ribosome. The tRNA then enters the ribosome. The anticodons and the codons join together, releasing the amino acid. The amino acids are released into the ribosome and create a chain of protein. This protein is the metal that is gained by the DNA.
We have breaking news. Photosynthesis is occurring as we speak. Let's go over to my brother Derek with the report. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be standing inside the chloroplast where photosynthesis is occurring. Just in case you don't know, photosynthesis is when plant cells use light energy to convert into chemical energy. This can happen in two ways: light-independent reactions and light-dependent reactions. Light-independent reactions convert carbon dioxide into glucose. Light-dependent reactions use glucose from light-independent reactions to convert solar energy into potential energy. Go over to Kyle, who will explain the differences between a plant cell and an animal cell.
I'm Kyle, your field reporter, and I'm out here telling you the differences between the cells. The cells are much similar and different. The plant cell has a cell wall, which is an outer layer that is stronger than what an animal cell has, because it's a cell membrane. The cells have the same things as lysosomes, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes and free ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, cytokeratin, and nucleus, and this all floats around in a jelly-like substance called the cytoplasm. What's different is the plant cells have the cell wall instead of the cell membrane. They have chloroplast and a bigger vacuole filled with sap. And on the other hand, the animal cells have a very small vacuole and a cell membrane for an outer layer, which is unlike it because it is softer and has less rigid. I have selected two parts of the cell which I think are interesting. One is the mitochondria, which is a rod-like figure within the cell, but I like to call it the powerhouse because it supplies cells with energy, which is distributed to different parts of the cell. Another thing I have selected is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is the complex system of membranes in the cytoplasm of the cell. The ER forms a transport system between the nucleus and the cytoplasm.
Now over to Charlie, who will explain what enzymes do.
This is Charlie, and I'm going to be talking about enzymes. There are 4 live substances: carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins, and nucleotides. Enzymes are specialized proteins that are made from amino acids. Enzymes act in a very peculiar way. They are like a lock and key model, and there are specific enzymes for each reaction. The catalysts speed up things, and enzymes speed up chemical reactions. The temperature, pH, and concentrations are factors that affect how these enzymes work. The general role of enzymes in the metabolic cell process is to provide energy and speed up chemical reactions.
That is all for DNA News, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Suicide hotline, may I help you?
Yeah. Well, I'm about to fucking kill myself.
Listen, you don't want to do that, okay? You don't want to do that.
There's so many fucking reasons why I don't even need to be here anymore.
There's
I'm
no
gonna put a
reason.
stop